Let's bring in Mikael Rostila, who's the head of the Department of Public Health Sciences at Stockholm University. Great to have you on the show. The question that I'm asking, that so many of our viewers are probably asking, why? Why is Sweden doing this?
Well, actually, in the last weekend here, we actually banned gatherings over 50 people. So there has been some more restrictions recently. But still, as you say, schools are still open, and we don't force people to stay at home like many other countries. One interpretation that has been put forward is that Sweden has and the citizens has very high confidence in the state institutions and also in the public health agencies in Sweden. And when there is a high degree of trust in these institutions, people also tend to follow their rules, regulations and suggestions to a greater extent.
But Mikael,
so
you know, I'm looking at your numbers, 3,700 confirmed cases, 110 deaths, 16 people have recovered. Your population is 10 million, just over the size of London. Isn't Sweden taking a huge risk?
Well, I think it remains to be seen. I think, according at least to the Public Health Agency in Sweden, they argue that they have the situation in pretty good control. But it remains to be seen, I think.
And what is, or is there science backing this decision by Sweden?
Well, I mean, it's very difficult because we don't have, this is something unique, I think, in societies, a unique historical situation. So, of course, we don't have the scientific evidence to back these things up. So I think also that remains to be seen. We have seen that the virus is also very unpredictable, and in many countries it's sort of a bit of a shocking situation what's happening. So I think it remains to be seen, and something that of course we have to study later on after this outbreak.
And you personally, as a head of Department of Public Health Sciences, what advice are you following and how are you conducting your daily life? Well,
I mean, I think most of Swedish citizens who can stay at home and work from home, they do that. They try to stay at home as much as possible. This is actually the first day I'm at the office in 2.5 weeks. So I have primarily been trying to work from home and use digital solutions for meetings and so on. At my university, for example, Stockholm University, we don't have any students who have lectures, physical lectures. Everything is solved online, and that's the situation for all universities in Sweden.
Okay. Mikael Rostila, appreciate your time and do stay safe for us. Thank you.